Cold weather is still in full swing, and with my current read on Howard Schultz' Pour Your Heart Into It, I've been craving Starbucks more than ever lately. But there's just one tiny little problem. Starbucks doesn't even exist in this country. So what do you do when you can't order your favorite Starbies beverage? You improvise with the only form of caffeine you have, because you still don't have a coffee maker and the old one that you brought home turned out to be broken, so you turn to the only thing available: instant coffee.